In this short video, I would like to show you how to make a remotely controlled graphic overlay, for example, for the sports scoreboards using only Axis camera and in-camera installed apps. All you need to have is have a compatible Axis camera and install on this camera Cam Overlay app and Cam Scripter app. Then you just open the Google Sheet, create any design you wish, and all you need to remember is just the cell IDs. So for visitors, it's A4. For home, it's B4. For inning, it's C4. Then you need to publish the Google Sheet to the web. You just open the publish to web and hit the green publish button, and the file will be published. And you create the overlay with all the graphics needed, like you upload the background, then you define the fields like visitors, home, and quarter or inning. You save it, and all you need to remember is the service ID, that's number 16 in this case, and the names of those variables you want to change during the stream. So switch to Cam Scripter, open the script, and give the access to the camera. So enter the username and password for the Axis camera. Put the unique ID of the Google Sheet that is also visible in the URL. It's the part of the URL. Select the overlay ID you want to edit remotely. That was number 16 as far as I can remember. Yes, number 16. And choose the update frequency. The longer the better. So let's say for the sport, every 2 or 3 seconds is enough. And then you just define the fields and where you want to read from them. So home is read from B4, yes. Visitor field is read from A4, yes. And quarter or inning is read from C4. So now let's switch to the camera and see if it works. So let's update the score to 0 to 1 for visitors. And now script is fetched the data from the Google Sheet, and Google Sheet and this script also updates the score. Let's put another one. Home scored. And as you can see, it takes a couple seconds, but usually it's like around 5 or 6 seconds if your live stream is set on a ultra low latency. So that's the easy solution, how to turn Axis camera into remote scoreboard tool. Thank you very much. Check out www.camstreamer.com for more info and join me on my Cam Streamer Talks on YouTube. Have a good day and bye-bye.